Matthews here at Nichols Marine on Grand Lake. Today in front of me I have a behemoth of a Tritoon. This is a 28-foot Bennington QX with a 10-foot beam. You will never run out of space on this boat. Storage for friends, for family. You have a cooler that can be moved all throughout the boat, electric folding arch, dual captain's chairs, RGB lighting all throughout the boat, Simrad screen. You have a large lounge area with a stainless steel safety rail. And then you have the star of the show. This is a Mercury 600 V12 engine. All of our new Benningtons come with a 10-year warranty from the floor up. Lifetime warranty on the hull. Visit our website for more at nicholsmarine.com. Come see me at Grand Lake, ask for Isaac, or give us a call at 918-257-5500.